Hello everybody, warm welcome to Dodgers Trips. I'm here in Train Street, Hanoi, Vietnam. So these are the famous train tracks and the street goes either way, but you can see this is a Saturday night in Hanoi. We're going to be lucky if we get a seat at a cafe, I reckon, but we're not going to miss the train. Someone was trying to take us to a cafe. I don't know if he was working for a cafe or he wanted a tip for doing that. But yeah, this is my number one thing to do in Hanoi. This was my top must-see. So hopefully we are in a good spot when the train comes. If not, we'll come back again tomorrow. We'll come back again the day after. Right now, I've got to find Sandy. Amidst all this mayhem, walk down the track, across the road. There she is, taking her own photos and videos.
We are now on the famous train street. So in about 30 minutes, a train's going to come. Everybody has to get off the rails. All the tables have got to be moved. And apparently it's really close to your knees as it goes past.
Street goes both directions, so you got a choice. A whole load of plenty of seats at this cafe over the road here. I'll have a little wander. Not exactly sure if that bloke was telling the truth when he said train due in half an hour. Shall we go there, Don? Yeah? No, thank you. Fridge magnet lady.
Hello, money.
Money.
Hello, money.
So this is a scene, yeah. So we have got sat down, no problem at all. I wonder which way the train comes.
We'll soon find out.
We're sat right back though, aren't we? I hope no one comes and stands anyway.
No, we're not allowed. Everybody has to be sat down.
Yeah, this is where we're sitting. Min's got an orange juice, Sandy, should I call her. Sandy's caretaking my mint mojito. I just thought it was like a mocktail, but it's full of vodka, apparently. And I don't drink. So I'm going to be sozzled tonight.
Yeah,
is that right?
Apparently, they put a coin on the track. So when the train comes in flat, you can keep it as like an event. So we're just going to wait and see if anybody else does it.
Yeah, I'll ask the cafe lady. She said, is it allowed? It might not be something, that's illegal, but naughty people do it.
Well, I'm very naughty.
Looking good on camera, isn't it?
No, I'm not.
The bar owner stood down there in the middle of the track. So this guy here must have been lookout man. He's been stood there all the time. We thought he was waiting to tell people to move to the side. But no, police will find anybody. All the tables, chairs, all gone. So they can't find you for just standing in the street, can they? Must be if you're sitting, then that's the penalty. I don't know. We wait.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Not really, no.
Oh, that was scary. I thought we were shouting as
Unless
if
he's,
we were saying bully, bully.
unless he's moved us all upstairs so he can sell them tables downstairs now. Right.
No, because they were shouting bully, bully upstairs. But,
You can tell that.
no, I'm just saying, all the videos that we've watched of this train straight, not once have they ever said, if the police come, you can get a huge fine, and they're rushing upstairs into all the shops. Really? I thought there was a boat coming. He kept saying bully, bully.
We're going back down, whatever they say.
Standing here, see train. So sorry. So sorry, sir.
Oh, no problem.
He stole that while it was money out.
Minh ơi! Minh! Thái bảo nó sắp đến đâu là lên tầng nhá.
He's going to put some money on track. No Vietnamese coin because everything is in such big denominations. So we've got a 50p and a 20p from England. Must be the stupidest thing to do. You know, everybody does it about 12 times a day. Yeah, police disappeared down the track, patrolling further on, and suddenly all the lights come on again. Just need a train. Yeah.
Sorry, check them now.
Like train street marshals all making sure everyone's pushed back. You can hear the train, the hooter. You can get a low shot of it down, I've got the high one. Couch, sure. Here he comes. I can't believe how long this train is. Seems longer than all those other videos we've seen. Getting value for money. See the sleeping compartments in there. All the bunk beds. Big potato. How long is this? There we go. That was better than I was hoping. I'm so happy that I've seen it. I'm thrilled to bits.
That's
Oh,
50p. That's 20p.
I didn't even recognise the 20p when I was looking for it. What do you think then?
Yeah, absolutely amazing. Loved every minute of it.
Good stuff. Oh, that's like having the thrill of the lights and it's gone now and you're sort of slowly coming back down from the high.
Need to pay.
Yeah.
Um,
And mint mojito. 250. Hi. Wow. We're gonna have to walk in the middle of the track. In the tracks of the train. Wow, yeah. Now we get all the pedal rickshaw guys, taxi men who'll be wanting you to take your lift home, won't they? So I'll get across this. We've crossed the junction there with the road. Walking on the other side of the tracks now. This seems a bit more bright and lit up on the side we were sitting at. Oh, I've just seen a flattened coin on the floor there on the pavement. Do you want a third one just in case someone else?
yeah. No, I don't think it.
No. Oh, it's in the concrete. Thought I saw a flattened coin that we could have got a third one then, but they'd put it into the concrete. We've got upstairs as well on either side, viewpoints. All the time we were sitting there at the cafe with the drinks, there was all the hawkers coming. fridge magnet lady, t-shirts. This is the vibe. Saturday night in Hanoi. Bit different from Towngate White. Better than going to the Akka. Seems strange. That train was almost like an American length train. It was amazing, absolutely. That was my, I can hardly speak, my voice cracking up with emotion. I was so thrilled to experience that. That was the number one thing. It is a touristy thing. It's the thing that everybody will probably, well, majority of people will make an effort to come and see that at least once in the time in Hanoi. Yeah, so number one of my things to do in Hanoi. Box ticked. I was a bit panicked when he sent us upstairs that we were going to have to watch the train from upstairs, and it wouldn't have done the same. I would have had to come back another night, I think, to get the full experience. Up close. So mainly bars and cafes. I still don't know if that was alcohol in that mint mojito or not. I'm feeling alright. We'll see. Maybe we'll see you at the night market if we find it and if my batteries last out. But yeah, I'm going to switch the camera off for now. We'll just in time enjoy some more wandering in Hanoi.
Roger's tired. We're going back. He's not as young as he used to be.